Right now is my new ring light off, and I will turn it on and we will see the difference. How pretty is this lighting? It's much easier to look into the camera, you know, in the middle. Even ring light can be pretty, you know what I mean? It literally looks like you have filter on. That's my bowl. That's my bowl. Looking good though. Yeah. Shit. I'm going to the sun. Alright guys, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk all about the ring light. I'm trying to step up my game a little bit. I ordered new ring light. I'm so excited about it. It's from brand NEEWER and we are just going to set it up today. We are going to unpack it. It's just right behind me, still in the box. It came literally in the huge box. I was like, what is going on? The delivery guy was literally not very amused. I actually thought on doing my setup a little bit different as it is right now, but I actually like this position. You know, like light is very important. Like even if you have the best camera in the world, but the lighting sucks, like you are not gonna get very nice results with your video, I mean with the quality of the videos. I have very budget-friendly Sony ZV-1 camera right in front of me, which I'm using since I started my YouTube channel, which is going to be about 2 years now. I was using actually almost the whole time just natural light from the window actually behind me, and I feel like it's pretty good choice if you are starting off, you know, you wanna just start it with the budget low options. It's perfect to use natural light, but also it's sometimes a little bit hard because sun is changing, or one day is cloudy, one day is sunny, or also in winter it's literally dark at 4 p.m. So if you are trying to find some better solution for you, this video might be perfect. If you are guys new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit a thumbs up, and let's just do that. By the way, this is not a sponsor video, that's just really me buying this ring light based on my research and really hoping this will give me nice results. Alright guys, so let's just unpack it. This says it is the light stand. And I guess here is the ring light. So I would say we would do first the light stand, which is right here. So this is pretty heavy, and this is a good sign because you don't want your stand to be light and so it fell, you know, over. Let's try to be always very careful about these screws. I would recommend to not tie them very tight so you don't damage them. Just like, you know, it holds, but not too much so you don't break them. So I would say this is the best position so your light is stable. I don't like when you put it like this because I feel like this is really not the position for the light to be stable. It can easily flip over as it doesn't have, you know, that much support. So I would really always put it on very bright angle so you get, you know, nice support and it doesn't flip over. So I will tie it like this here, and then we have here another 2 screws. So let's see how high it is actually. Look at this. So whoa, okay, this is the one. It is over 2 meters. That's my bowl. That's my bowl. Looking good though. Yeah. Shit. This room is so small, I cannot even deal with that. Let's open another mystery box. There are charging cables. Wow. I feel like this is so convenient. You know, you get it with this bag, you put there your gear, your light, and you just literally go wherever you live. I'm struggling. It's there. I am so excited for this, guys. Even ring light can be pretty, you know what I mean. And then we can just easily place it on the light stand. You can see right now. And then just tied it. And like this, it's so easy. It's literally 2-piece and it's standing. Right here, this screw, you open it and you can switch the position of the light.
Wow.
Also, it's 180 degrees, I think. And the ring lights are anyway the best for beauty, makeup, you know, without any shades. It literally looks like you have filter on, so you might not need to use any filter anymore. We have here 2 cover bases. This one is for your camera, DSLR camera and stuff like that. And this one is for your phone. So you put your phone holder always on this base. This base you can also control right here. So easy like that. Just clip it in, tied it. And then we are going to put there the iPhone holder, and then we are going to set up through Bluetooth this remote. You can take pictures with, you know, when you are like far away. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to just put there the phone. Alright, so now we take the remote and we just turn it on, so your phone find the device. Then we go to settings, to Bluetooth, and you need to make sure the Bluetooth is on. And then we are going to look for a NEEWER shutter right here. And we are just going to pair it. Okay, so here you can see it's connected. NEEWER shutter connected. And then when you go to the photo, to the camera, and like you press it, it does literally photos. And now you can literally take photos of you. We are going to turn it on. And then just literally into electricity. You can turn it on here on the side. It's literally switch. You can turn it on like that and we are already lightening up. Wow. Wow. So then you have there 2 options. The warm option and then the cold option. So let's put like, this is the minimum for the warm, so let's put it all the way up, and then let's put all the way up the cold option. I feel like that should be on the maximum. Oh, whoa, whoa. Look at all those LED lights. So now we have actually on the both the warm and the cold. I like always the cool light, like this one. Alright guys, I want to show you something cool. So right now this light is horrible. I have just on the ceiling light and the lamp behind me, and right now is my new ring light off, and I will turn it on and we will see the difference. Just like look at this. Let's start with the cool tone. Woo! It takes my camera some time to adjust, but look at this. Let's put a little bit warm to it, warm tone. Wow, I love this. Even it is strong, I have no problem to look into the camera because it's a ring light. It's not like the whole, you know, area of light, which I was having problems with my old light. So I feel like it's much easier to look into the camera, you know, in the middle. And look at the difference. I will just turn it off. Like, hello. Like, this is horrible. And then look at this. Wow. It's honestly so nice. I love this. So I decided to go with this brand NEEWER, which you can find all around the world. Germany, Canada, Australia, Italy, Spain, Czech Republic, Finland, Hungary, Romania, Mexico, Thailand, Philippines, Japan, Vietnam. It's available all around the world, okay? The brand specializes on the photographic equipment, development of software, live streaming and, you know, video lights. They have also LED panels, panels, flashes, ring lights obviously, and yeah, softboxes, tripods, lenses. They have different types of ring lights. Some of them are older, some of them are newer. The reviews were literally amazing. It was over 60,000 reviews, for example, on Amazon. I got this new 18-inch Pro ring light kit for 140 bucks. It was also 140 euros, I feel like. I'm not sure why. So I ordered it from the German shop. Well, I actually ordered it from Amazon because then it was a little bit cheaper because there was some voucher option. So I like to also research where I can get it for the best price. And I feel like that's about it, guys. I'm so excited to use this in my new videos. So you might be interested on hitting subscribe button, like the video, comment if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.